Now the third way is by Harda. The third way is Harda Bhav, by the blessings of Gauranga. So what devotee attained Bhava Bhakti by the blessings of Gauranga? So it's told that devotee is Jiva Goswami. Sri Jiva Goswami, that Gauranga Mahaprabhu, with his heartfelt blessings, he was praying, he said, may this young boy, may this this brother, cousin brother of Rupa Goswami, may he attain Bhava Bhakti, may he attain Krishna Prem. So by the heartfelt blessings of Gauranga, then Jiva Goswami attained Bhava Bhakti and Prema Bhakti. This is told in Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Jaiva Dharma. Now we see that Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and all the other acharyas in the line of Guru Parampara, they also blessed, they also gave their blessings. It's called Harda Bhav. By their heartfelt desire, so many thousands of people attained Bhava Bhakti. So that's where we come in. That's where we come in. We always say, Bhakta Prahlad ki jai, Bhakta Prahlad ki jai. So we also want to become Bhakta Prahlads. When we join ISKCON, when we join the movement, we're all Bhaktas. But then we get initiated and we're not Bhaktas anymore. When we join, we're Bhakta Joe, Bhakta Sunil, Bhakta this, Bhakta that. We're Bhaktas, then we get initiated and then we say, oh, now I'm Krishna, I'm Krishna Das. Sometimes we forget the Das and say, now I'm Krishna. We're supposed to be Krishna Das or Krishna Dasi. But we think and act more like I'm Krishna and I'm Krishna. So where's the Bhakta? But we're supposed to become Bhaktas. Bhakta Prahlad. Pure devotees. Bhava Bhakta, Prema Bhakta. Pure devotees of the Lord. So what hope is there? There's the practice of our sadhana. And if our sadhana is done in such a way, we'll gradually progress from Vaidhi to Raganuga. And then if our sadhana is performed in such a pleasing and satisfactory way, with great longing for Braja Bhakti and pure devotion, then we attain the mercy. So we only attain Bhava Bhakti and Prema Bhakti by mercy. The mercy of Krishna and Radharani. Just imagine the Chandrakanti, simply by dancing all night, she had such attachment for her deity that Radharani bestowed Gopi Bhav in her heart, directly from Goloka. Golokera Premadana Harinam Sankirtan.